Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a close-up look at the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. It is a silent mouse with a minimalist design and it's available in 3 colors. This one is in off-white. It's also available in rose and graphite. So here are some of its features. Does have silent operation and 18-month battery life on a single AA battery. It also does have dual connectivity either via the included 2.4 GHz wireless receiver or by Bluetooth. It also has a high precision optical sensor. And taking a look at the back of the box, some more product details in various languages and some specifications as well. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box by, of course, cutting apart the sticky seal. And then, of course, making sure that we've made enough of an incision to cut apart that sticky seal. And now let's try again by popping open the box flap. And of course, there is another sticky seal on the side as well, so let's do that. And on the opposite side, so being very careful there with the penknife, and there we go, revealing the contents of the box right there of the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. Okay, so you have a nice clear view looking into the box. Let's slide the contents out. So right there, the entire contents slide nicely out of the box, and making sure nothing else is left inside. Let's set the box to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side this time around, as I spread the contents of the box across the tabletop, so you have a nice clear view of what we've just removed from the Logitech Pebble M350's box packaging. Okay, let's start off by first taking a look at this leaflet here. So there is what appears to be a quick start guide, a simple leaflet there to show you how to connect via Bluetooth. So it also does connect via 2.4 GHz receiver as well, that comes included with the wireless mouse. So let's set this to the side on the right hand side there. And moving on, we do have the usual Logitech warranty and compliance information, and of course safety information as well in various languages. As you can see, it is always a very comprehensive leaflet, a fold out leaflet here. So I'm not going to unfold this because it tends to get rather messy and there's just so much information in various languages to cover, but you get the gist of it. Always check through it, making sure that you follow all kinds of safety advice in that fold-out leaflet. Okay, so moving on to the Pebble M350 wireless mouse itself. You can see it does have a very simple design and very symmetrical. So it will work pretty nicely for left or right hand users. Okay, just giving you some sense of the mouse while it's still in its clear plastic packaging. And now let's pop open the packaging by, of course, flipping open that clear plastic coffin or box. So very neatly packaged, very safe and secure, setting that clear tray aside, and now you have a nice good look at the mouse. You can see this is the off-white color. It's close enough to a pure white or simple flat white with a very, very light tint of gray. So not quite creamy, but more of a white with a very, very subtle tint of gray. So giving you some sense of the size of the mouse resting in the palm of my hand. Right there. Small and rather light as well. So once again, giving you another view of this Logitech wireless mouse Pebble M350. And of course it still does have its battery preserver tab inside of it, but nonetheless just giving you a close-up look at the mouse as it is freshly unpacked from its box packaging. So taking a look at the front as well and the sides, so you have a nice clear view all around of this wireless mouse that operates on a single AA battery. And of course it is a wireless mouse as well with Bluetooth and 2.4 gigahertz connectivity. So two types of connectivity, so pretty versatile for different applications on different platforms, either via 2.4 gigahertz receiver that comes included with the mouse or via Bluetooth. So as I mentioned, comes in three colors: off-white, which is what we're seeing in this mouse, rose, and graphite. So rose is basically pink or light pink, and graphite is nearly black in color. So just giving you an all-round look and close-up detail as well. You can see the skates of the mouse. Nice to see that it is quite long in length, giving you a good balance and even wear. And of course there is an on-off switch there and the connectivity button on the far right. And of course the optical sensor as well. And once again we do have another U-shaped skate or feet on the back end of the mouse. So giving you a look at the rear, and you can see that it is wedge shaped, not completely flat. It does have a flat top, but not straight flat. It is slanted and sloped towards the front of the mouse. So now let's give the mouse a click test as well with the button presses. So that's the right button, left button, and of course let's test out the scroll wheel as well, scrolling forward and backwards, and the click of the mouse wheel button. So very silent in operation. So giving you that nice clear look and detail of the silent operation of this Logitech Pebble M350 mouse. So once again, now resting the mouse in the palm of my hand, once again, but this time in the vertical orientation, giving you some sense of the size of the mouse. So right there, nice good look around. You can see the finish on the top of the mouse. It does have a glossy finish around the scroll wheel right there between the left and right mouse click buttons, and top down look as well. So in terms of the click activation area, so it does go all the way almost to the midsection of the mouse that you can still click off right there. So pretty wide target area in terms of left and right clicks. So you can see, trying to operate the mouse very vigorously, still remains very quiet. And of course you can see there is a protective film there around the mouse wheel, so some added protective packaging there which wasn't immediately obvious. That's just come off around the scroll wheel. Okay, so nice, good look all around at this Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. Front, back, rear, sides, pretty much all around this mouse. Once again, giving you that close-up look up front. And doing a click test. So right there, nice good look all around at this Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse in off-white. And of course, the battery compartment is accessed from the top, very unusual in design, but I guess it also aids cleaning the mouse as well, which is quite a nice touch. So right there, giving you a look inside, and you can see that single AA battery, which Logitech claims that will last 18 months of use. And of course, the 2.4 GHz receiver in there should you wish to connect via the receiver. Giving you that close-up detail, you can see the Logi branding on it, on this USB 2.4 GHz receiver. That packs away neatly in this compartment right there, and showing you the inner workings, or at least the accessible inner workings and battery compartment of this Logitech M350 Pebble wireless mouse. So pretty cool to be able to see at least a little bit of the insides of the mouse, and you can see the left and right click button. So there's some level of serviceability by users, and you can see just how minimalist the design is. So pretty neat right there, and you can see how the left and right mouse click buttons on the cover of the mouse do flex all the way to nearly the midsection of the mouse. So there is a very, very wide target area, which will make the mouse very easy and comfortable to use. And of course the ambidextrous design as well. Left and right completely symmetrical in design. Okay, so let's just pull out the tab and flip the switch on. Popping off the cover, once again, very simple, no tools needed. And let me pull out that battery preserver tab and flip the switch on. Going to show you that AA battery that comes included with this Logitech mouse. So right there, and some instructions as well on the inside of that battery compartment. Okay, so just popping the battery in, flipping the switch on. Very simple. It does almost have a magnetic type of click feel when you slip the cover or top of the mouse back on. And right there you can see that the LED status indicator light on the Bluetooth or connectivity button, or just above, flashing away there. And the simple on off button right there, or switch, I beg your pardon. As simple as that plastic switch appears, it does have a very nice feel to it, flipping it off and on. And there we have it, the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. And of course, one last thing to do. Actually, let's just show you how easy that cover removes and replaces, just like that. Pretty amazing. Never seen anything quite like it in terms of removing that battery or top cover right there. Let me just show you, just like that. You can see it does have screws on the underside of the cover and magnets, round magnets on those 3 points to keep the cover in place, just like that. So amazingly simple to service in terms of getting access to the 2.4 GHz RF USB receiver or the battery inside of it. But once again, of course, this mouse also does connect via Bluetooth as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, so just going to give you that look over here with my hand over the mouse and clicking away there. It does have a pretty ordinary glide feel, so nothing too spectacular, but there. So you can hear just how quiet the mouse is in terms of click feel, scroll feel, and click press or scroll press as well. So right there, nice good look at the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse in off-white. So giving you that close-up look once again. All round, if you're just joining us towards the end of the video or have skipped or forwarded to the end of this video, you can see all the fine details of this minimalist designed, symmetrical, silent operating wireless mouse with dual connectivity. And you can see, trying to use it with my left hand, feels just the same right there, or in my right hand. And that high target area, very wide in terms of click press. And of course, it's nice to see that the buttons don't go all the way to the front, so there's no accidental bumping of the left and right mouse click buttons if you're operating in a tight space. So that's the Logitech Pebble M350 wireless mouse. Thanks for watching and happy clicking!